I've been waiting for breakthrough, I've been praying for change. I know you work it out for good, but how long will it take? I've been asking for healing, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm ready for the miracle. God, let it be this time. But if I never see the promise on this side of the grave, my hope might be shaken, but my faith will never break. Because I know the day is coming when you right all of the wrong. So I'll praise you in the waiting, and my faith will stay strong. Yeah.